Hey guys, welcome back to Horton's Flower Farm. So for today's adventure, we're going strawberry picking. So we figured we'd take you along so you can have some fun with us.
No!
No, let's go!
Yes.
Here we go. Alright guys, we're here. Strawberry picking. Alright guys, we made it here to the farm and there's a lot of cute things for the kids, so everyone's really excited. So here we go. Guys, not that way, this way. Sillies. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. Strawberry picking is about to begin. Let's go see what we can find. All right, Holly, put them in the basket.
Can I eat it?
Good. Put one and then put it in your basket.
Enjoy, guys. There's the good stuff. Find the best one you can. You guys walk on the white stuff.
Ooh, that was a perfect one. Look at that one.
All right, guys, so here's the row of strawberries. There's a little tiny one. Look at how cute. Look at it. In my basket. All right, let's see what else we can find here. Oh, I see some here. Let's see. Oh, not really ripe yet. All right. Here we go. Let's see. And this little ones here. No, it's not ripe yet. When they're redder, they're sweeter. So you want to make sure you get the really red ones. Like this one's so red. Johnny, you match the strawberries. Oh, you gotta get more in there, John. Let me see if we can find some more. Let me see. Whoa. Look at Holly's. Let me see. Are they nice and red?
Yeah.
Whoa.
This one's really big.
So sweet, right?
Good one here, Mom.
Look at mine.
Whoa. Okay, so we're almost filled up on strawberries, but we just noticed that there's actually a second field of strawberries, so we have to check it out and see what's in that field. So here we go.
It's like 2 more pounds on it.
Strawberries.
At the shop.
We're gonna get food later.
Put it up so you can eat it, honey. A little bunny.
Hi.
Hi, cutie.
You're so cute. Oh. Where you going?
Yeah, look at that cute cake. Let's climb up in the air. Hey!
Oh my goodness. They're gonna climb up the hay. Whoa. Whoa, who's on top of the world there? Whoa, who made it to the top? Be careful up there. Whoa, look at you guys. Look how high up you are. Oh my goodness. All right guys, we're all done picking strawberries. It was a fun day, but everyone's tired. So now back to the farm for a little bit more work before we call it a day. Here we go.